Autism research is a very high priority at NIH right now. We are all deeply concerned about the way in which this disease affects so many families, and even the evidence that seems to indicate that's increasing. And it's a mystery exactly what the causes are in most affected children. There have been some insights in some cases of environmental or genetic contributions, but most still remain unexplained. So, in part supported by the Recovery Act, NIH is beefing up its autism research to a considerable extent in several areas. One is to look for environmental factors that might play a role that haven't yet been discovered. Another is to study the interventions that have been proposed to see which ones work best for children with autism. And a third is to try to understand what the genetic influences might be, because we know this is a disorder which tends to recur in families, and that means it's very likely that there's genetics involved. But it may be that autism at the DNA level is not one disease. It may be 100 or 1,000 different diseases, all of which have in common this effect on the brain. Now that we have the ability to scan the entire genome looking for very subtle changes, which we really didn't have until just the last year or two, it's hopeful that we'll be able to get some answers. So putting all that together, NIH will be spending $100 million or more per year on autism research, trying to figure out what causes this disease and what to do about it.